Welcome all. In this video, we are going to implement binary counter and display the binary values on a LED's interface with the 8051 microcontroller. So this is our problem statement. Write an assembly language program to display binary count on LEDs connected to the port 2 of 8051 microcontroller. This is the interfacing diagram. We have connected 8 LEDs to the each pin of port 2. Now, if you send logic 0 on each pin of a port 2, all the LEDs are initially in a off state. That means to keep all the LEDs off, we have to send 00H value on a port 2. In the next cycle, what we'll do, we'll increment the value of port 2 value by 1. That means only the port pin P2.0 will get the logic 1 and remaining all the pins will have a logic 0. So that only the first LED will become on. That is our hexadecimal value 01H, which will indicate binary 1. In the next cycle, to display the binary 2, we will increment the value that we are sending on a port 2 by 1, so that in the next cycle, only the second pin will become a logic 1 and its LED will glow, and it will display the binary 2 to the user. Similarly, in the next cycle, lower 2 LED will get the logic 1 and both the LEDs will be on to display the binary 3 and so on. So till all the LEDs become on, we have to go on incrementing the value that we are sending on a port. Once all the LEDs are on, we are sending the value 0FF to the port 2. Now, if we increment this by value by 1, it will overflow to the 00 and carry bit is set to the 1. And again, our counter will start from the 0. Now, let's write the program for this and observe the output on a Proteus simulation. Let's write the program starting with the org 000H. First of all, we'll initialize the value of accumulator with the 00H, and this value of accumulator will send to the port 2. So that initially all the LEDs connected to the port 2 are in a off state. After making all the LEDs off, we'll call the delay by using ACALL instruction. After the delay, we want the next value to be sent on port 2 is a 1. So to send 1, we'll use the add instruction. Accumulator is initially having the value 0. So in this accumulator, we'll add the 1 so that value of accumulator will become a 1. And this value of accumulator, we want to send on a port 2. So we'll jump back and send this value on a port 2. So our program is simple. Starting with the 0, every time the value has been sent on a port, it will give some delay and increment the value of accumulator. After incrementing the value of accumulator by 1, it will jump back and send new value of accumulator to the port 2 till accumulator become a FF. That is, all the bits of accumulator become 1. After that, in the next addition, the accumulator will be overflow to the 00 and carry is set to the 1. And the cycle repeats from 0 to the FF. Now, I will add the delay subroutine here. This is our delay subroutine. Okay, so I will save the program, build the target. Let's observe the result on a Proteus simulation. In Proteus, all the 8 LEDs are connected to the port 2. Now let's load the hex file and observe the simulation output. Once hex file is loaded, start the simulation and observe that LED will display the binary value. Binary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that is 1000, 1001, 1010, that is 10, 1011, 11, 1100, that is 12, and so on. So in this way, LED will display the binary value from 00H to the FFH. After FFH, it will overflow to the 00 again and start counting from 0 to the FF again. So this is all about the binary counter. Thank you for watching the video.